crossbow. No, probably not. Shotgun.
Uzi.
More shotgun.
No.
More shotgun.
Nope, didn't leave a thing. Oh my fucking god!
He's up here! He's up here! Up here! Oh, great.
Well. Oh, someone's up here. Ah, hitting all the wrong buttons. Hey, you gonna do it or what? I got no health.
I don't care what you got.
Oh.
Why don't you come down here and pay me a visit?
No.
Your buddy died like a bitch.
I know, man. It makes me sad. I thought I raised him better than that.
Jump out
Shit
window?
happens, man.
I should. Can I actually? Oh, I can. Lol. Well, going in swing. Oh!
Hello and good day. Welcome aboard Suicide Airlines. We will be showing you around this island today.
Oh shit!
Just jump out.
Get out!
Good choice.
Well, at least we get more loot.
More loot for the rest of us. Bye, Ben. How did you make it up that far?
Let's
I
go.
literally, I can't get up.
Oh my god, don't walk over here! Ah! You idiot! Oh my god.
I walked over, looked right, I just saw the headlight.
Say hello to my Asian friend. Hello.
Oh, car. Sorry, right. Two of them. Oh, fuck. Three? What the fuck is happening?
What? Good thing we're running back to the tree.
Hello, everyone. It is your friendly neighborhood Asian friend. This is a shit. Say hello to Asian friend.
This ma'am, that is a major moving capacitor.
Hello, I come to give you rice.
Jesus.
Will you accept my rice? Hello, accept rice in your life, sir. Please stop running. Sir, would you kindly stop? You have rocking shoe. I need to get faster. Please stop running. There could be snakes in this grass. Oh no, sir! No!
No! Please! I'm a virgin! I'm a virgin! Car, I mean...
Oh! Yeah, there's some people back there. Oh my god! And some at the gas station! Just keep going! Just go! Oh my god, that was scary.
Alright, so it's up to you, really. You're the driver. We can...
Watch their health slowly tick down. Left side of the bridge by the bus on its side, I think.
Oh yeah, I see a guy. I see his feet. Do you see them, Dan? Oh, two of them.
I see two people. Two people.
yeah.
This is Doug from HQ. We have confirmed contacts on bridge. Engaging it. Repeat, engaging.
Oh, I hit one.
Hit.
Hit him.
Be advised, weapons are live. Fire at will. This is coming down from HQ. They appear to be pissing their panties. Repeat, pissing their panties.
Yeah.
Oh god! Oh god, there's someone here with me! Oh, there's two people! I'm crawling down the hill! No! Unit 1 is down! The eagle's nest is down!